did you come here again? You ruined my self-respect!
Everything is yours, Aman. I made it all yours land, just as I planned. Everything looks so beautiful. It feels like a dream.
It should be special, Father.
Like our daughter. God has blessed me with a beautiful daughter. Now I am complete with you.
I never knew such happiness was possible until this moment with you.
So let's see who takes the sip first, princess.
Dance, little princess. This celebration will be your last.
Oh, what is she doing with the princess?
Magnificent tonight.
Oh, my dear, I am with you. Calm down.